morning, class 5. I hope all students are okay. Now I take your mental math class. In the previous day, we have completed chapter 16 and 17, and I give you homework chapter exercise 18. Today I take your exercise 19. First of all, 19. 19. Fill in the box with the smallest possible digit so that the complete number is, there are some numbers divisible by 3, some numbers divisible by 6, some numbers divisible by 9. But first of all, you have to know the rules of divisible by 3. We have already known. Now we learn what is the divisible rules of by 6 and 9. Divisible by 6, the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. And so, if a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 2 and 3. And then we do the sums of, first of all, you notice that the number is even, and then check if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. Okay? And divisible by 9, if the sum of the digits of a number, like divisible rules of 3, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Exercise the number. Suppose the number is that is any number, and if we sum the digits of these numbers, and if we divide it with 3, then divide by 9. If it is divisible, then the number is divisible by 9. Rules of divisible by 6. The prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So, for a number to be divisible by 6, it must also be divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, we need to check if the number is even, and then check if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Example, then suppose the number is 5382. It is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 2, last digit is 2, so it is divisible by 3, and 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2, 8 to 10, 10, 3, 13, 5, 18, 18 by 3, 18 divided by 3, 6, so it is divisible by 3. That means it is divisible by 6. Okay? 18 divided by 3, 6. Okay? This is the rules of divisible rules by 6. Next, the rules rule of divisible by 9. If the divisible rule of 3, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Example, suppose the number is 51,984 is divisible by 9, because the sum of its digits 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4, 8, 4, 12, 12, 1, 13, 13, 9, 28, 28, 5, 27. So, that is 5 and 6, 27. So, 27 is divisible by 9. Okay, this is the rules. Now, chapter 19. Divisible by 3. 4 box, fill in the blanks. 4 box, 6, 9. I do it here. 4 plus 6 plus 9. 4, 6, 10 plus 9, 19. So, 19 is not divisible by 3. So, 19 plus 2, 21. 21 divided by 3, 7. So, 2. Okay. B. 5, 3, box 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. So, 2. Box. In the box, we put 2. C. 2, 5, 8, 2. Box equal to 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2. 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So, 17 plus 4, 21. Divided by 3, 7. So, 4. Okay. Then A. Divisible by 6. A. 5, 3. 5, 3, box 8. 6 divisible rules. 5, 3, 2, 8. 2 box. 5 plus 3 plus 8. 16. 16 is not divisible by 6. So 16 plus 2, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. So 2 box. Box 3 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 5 plus 6. 3, 5, 8, 6, 14. So 14 is not divisible by 6. So 14 plus 4, 18 divided by 3. So 4 box. 3, 6 box 5, 4. 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. 3, 6, 9, 9, 5, 14, 14, 4, 18. So 18 divided by 2. That means 0. Okay. A divisible by 9. 2, 1, 0 box 5. So 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5. 2, 1, 3, 5, 8. 8 is not divisible by 9 plus 1, 9. So 1. B. 3 box 6, 5. 3 plus 6 plus 5. 3, 6, 9, 5, 14. 14 is not divisible by 9. So 14 plus 4, 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. D. C. 7, 3, 2 box. 7 plus 3 plus 2, 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. So 12 plus 16, 18. 18 plus divided by 9, 2. So 6. 5, 3 box 8. 5 plus 3 plus 8. 8, 8, 16. 16 is not divisible by 9. So 16 plus 2, 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. Okay. Repeat it again. Exercise 19. Fill in the box with the smallest possible digit so that the complete number is divisible by 3. A. 4, 6, 9. Box 2. 4 plus 6 plus 9, 19 plus 2, 21. 21 divided by 3, 7. 5, 3 box 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. 10 plus 2. 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. I am sorry, here the smallest number will not put. So I put smallest number. 2, 5, 8, 2. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2. 2, 5, 7. 8, 7, 15. 16, 17. So 17 plus 1, 18. 18 divided by 3, 6. So 1. 2, 5, 8, 2, 1. Okay. Divisible by 6. 5, 3, box 8. 5 plus 3 plus 8, 16. 16 is not divisible by 6. So 16 plus 2, 18. 18 is divided by 6. 18 is divided by 2. 18 is divided by 9. 18 is divided by 6. Acha. 3, 5, 6 box. 5, 3, 8. 8, 6, 14. 14 is not divided by 6. So 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 18 divided by 3, 6. So 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 3, 6. 18 divided by 2, 9. 18 divided by 6, 3. So 4. 6, 3, 6 box 5, 4. 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, 18. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 6. So 0. Okay. Divisible by 9. 2, 1, 0 box 5. 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5. 8. 8 plus 8 is not divisible by 9. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 divided by 9, 1. B. 3 box 6, 5. 3 plus 6 plus 5. 14. 14 is not divisible by 9. So 14 plus 4, 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. C. 7, 3, 2 box. 7 plus 3 plus 2, 12. 12 is not divided by 9. So 12 plus 6, 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. So 6. 5, 3 box 8. 5, 3, 8. 8, 8, 16. 16 is not divided by 9. So 16 plus 2, 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. Okay. This is your chapter 19. 21. Find the value of. 21. Find the value of 9/10 of a rupee. 9/10 into 1 rupee equal to how many pies? 9/10 into 100, 10/10, 90 paisa. So 90. 5/6 of an hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 5/6 into 60. So 6 10 is 60, 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Okay. 3/10 of a meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. How many centimeter? So 3/10 into 100, 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. 5/12 of a dozen. 1 dozen equal to 12. So 5/12 into 12. 12. So 5/12 into 12 by 5. 5 units. 3/5 of a kg. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 3/5. 3/5 and 3/5 into 1000. 5 2 ja 10, 0 0. So 3 2 ja 6, 600 gram. 3/7 of a week. 1 week equal to 7 days. So 3/7 into 7, 7 7, 3 days. 13/20 of a score. 1 score equal to 20. So 13/20, it means 30 into 20 into 20 scored. So 13 units. Okay. 7/20 of a rupee. 1 rupee equal to 100. So 7/20 into 100. So 20 into 5, 100, 35 paisa. 7/10 of an hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 7/10 into 60, 42 minutes. 1/20 of a minute. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. How many seconds? 120 into 60. So 3 seconds. Okay. I repeat the chapter 21. Find the value of. I do here details. So only I repeat it. 9/10 of a rupee, 90 paisa. 5/6 of an hour, 50 minutes. 3/10 of a meter, 30 centimeter. I do it here. 5/20 of a dozen. 5/12 of a dozen, 5 units. 3/5 of a kg, 600 gram. I do it here. 3/7 of a week, 3 days. Do it here. 13/20 of a score, 13 units. Do it here. Okay. G. H. 7/20 of a rupee, 35 paisa. Do it here. 7/10 of an hour. Do it here. 42 minutes. 1/20 of a minute. That is 120 into minute 60. That is 3 seconds. Okay. Exercise 22. Write in words. That is 5/12 equal to 5/12. 1/8, 1/8. 3/11 equal 3/11. 17/40, 17 40ths. 2/9, 2 9s. Repeat it again. Write in words. Exercise 22. Write in words. 5/12, 5/12. 1/8 equal to 1/8. 3/11 equal to 3/11. 17/40 equal to 17 40ths. E. 2/9 equal to 2 9s. Number B. Express in fractions. 3/5, 3/5. G. F. G. 5/12, 5/12. G. 4/69, 4/69. 9/12, 9/20, 9/20. 11/15, 11/15. Repeat it again. Express in fractions. 3/5, 3/5. 5/12, 5/12. 4/69, 4/69. 9/20, 9/20. 11/15, 11/15. So now I hold every page 2 or 3 seconds. I do it a worksheet now. A worksheet exercise 20. From the given list, pick and write numbers in the table below. 615, 3,879, 2,947, 16,247, 1,232, 10,836, 4,284, 1,320, 34,331, 9,081, 1,064, 1,245, 2,226, 1,770, 1,287, 3,872. So column by divisible by 3. Among this number which are divisible by 3, write this number here. Which are divisible by 7, write the numbers here. Which are divisible by 9, write here. Divisible by 11, write here numbers. Okay, this is your homework. Apply divisible rules. You must look at your book. So this is your homework. Now I complete chapter 19, 21, 22. Now I hold each page 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so I do all these chapters. You have to do your homework at home, and some switch chapters I have already done in class. You must practice at home. Thank you very much.